dude. 66 3.5, baby. Yes.
3, 2, 1.
Good morning, everybody. It is Saturday and we are at the job. The formation of a 50 by 42, a big old slab. I set up the batter boards this morning. Got the string lines ran. We're squaring it up now. I ran into an issue where we were 66 in our measurement here. What happens is this is 42 feet wide by 50 feet long. Our measurements are good, but the slab could be tweaked a little bit. So this is how you get your square. You pull diagonal from diagonal. So we're getting our square right now. 66 3.5. Now we go over to the other side and we see how we're looking. How do you think we're looking? Oh, raised it up high, my bad. Oh, please be 16 freaking half. Oh, dude. 66 3.5, baby. Yes. Yes, sir. That's how we do it. That is how we do it. All right, we got our string line up. We're freaking elevated. We're ready to go.
Go get some form boards and we're gonna be forming them up.
All right, we just got back to the job. I went to Home Depot to pick up some wood. There's Cameron. Hey. We're gonna unload these 2x12s and we're gonna start working. We are gonna get to work.
Oh, my bad.
Good morning, everybody. We are ready to pour. It is concrete day, ladies and gentlemen. We got the boom pump here set up. Yeah, baby. We got Travis, baby. Steven. Yes, sir. That wire goes right there. We are ready to pour, guys. We got the slab going today. Right here, string line.
You going that way?
We're at 12 fucking minutes, bro, until concrete gets here. Straight across. We're gonna go to right. We're gonna go to right here. I need a tape measure if you can find one in my truck somewhere. In my, go look.
All right, here's a knife.
Tape measure. Almost 12. Hold on. Are you all the way?
I'm just here for the entertainment.
I see that. Good thing.
As long as it don't rain, man. I shouldn't open my mouth.
I think it already rained.
Yeah, last night. I'm telling Cody, I've been waiting 9 months on this shit, man.
Every word you say, sir.
Huh?
The only one. I quote almost everything.
Really?
And it's the same thing. 7 months, 9 months, 8 months. The permits.
Yeah. I had surveying issues and all sorts of stuff, man. The permits weren't actually that bad, and whenever we'd notified an inspector, he'd be out here in 2 days, 3 days. But I had all sorts of problems with this, with survey issues, man. Yeah. Took like 2 months to correct.
Everybody who goes through the state, everybody I talk to,
Same thing.
8 months, 7 months.
Found out my property lines were like 6-7 feet off from the time I bought the house on this side.
This side? So are you in or out?
Well, it took me 2 months and then three arbitrations to get it straightened out. And they already had form boards up and everything. Come to find out, I own a little bit of that.
Property.
So it gave me clearance, you know. I kept having people come back and wanting to move this whole thing about 5 feet, 6 feet that way, and I'm like,
it's right there, right?
nah, it's up front.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's up front, but that's a well there. That's why that area is marked off, because that well is like only this deep under the surface.
I put some in the water. I was trolling first. Oh, I got barracuda. I hit a big fucking barracuda. Huge motherfucker. Yo.
Really? That's big enough to have parasites, man.
Yeah, I ain't eating that.
No, I don't chance it either.
So we got married, I proposed for her up in Alaska. I was doing some union work up in Alaska. And I took her up to the fucking Alyeska Mountains and shit. I fucking proposed to her. And then we got married in Seattle. And then we came back down to Florida. We're done with up north. We came back down to Florida. Now we're here for good.
Yeah, but it was nice, man. I'm actually moving over there.
Are you?
Yeah, I found, that's why I went down there. I went there Friday. I had a meeting with the realtor at 12. And I found a 5-acre lot with a 3,000 square foot house. CBS with a carport, 50 by 40.
And you probably ended up with 100 grand left over compared to Loxahatchee.
Listen, 465, bro.
Yeah, I got friends that live in Grant.
Oh, that's beautiful there, bro. Oh my God. That's where it's actually. That's where it's at, right there.
Oh, really?
Right
Okay.
off of Grant. Yeah.
Yeah, my girlfriend's got some.
5 minutes from the water.
Yep.
Hold up.
No, I'm out of Loxahatchee. That fucking place a nightmare now. They built all them houses down North Lake and no, bro. I'm really out of it.
I looked at. I owned another house out here 2 years back.
That's what I own. I own 2 houses over there.
So, well, I sold the other one during the divorce. I bought this little house here, so I've been fixing it up over the past couple of years, you know, to make things sort of like I want. But I looked out in Loxahatchee, but the problem was, man, my commute to work and getting my kid to school. I've still got one that's just started high school.
Yeah.
And man, down North Lake Boulevard in the mornings.
No. It's a nightmare. You ain't getting out of it. Trust me.
No.
Actually, they fixed it a little bit now. With that 3-lane,
where Coconut is and all that, you mean? Or whatever that is?
Yeah. I've been out there for 30 years.
Oh, okay. So you know the deal.
Yeah. And let me tell you something. But it's still out of hand. They're starting to build more houses, more shit. I told my wife, listen, I got one, I bought one in 96. And then I bought my other one like 9 years ago. I got one rented for $3,200 a month.
There you go.
And I told my wife, you know what? I sell both of these houses. I'm gonna walk out of here with almost like 1.6 million. Get the fuck out of this motherfucker.
Yep.
I was gonna buy here. I came to look at a whole bunch of houses here 9 years ago.
Yeah.
They were cheap, bro.
Yeah.
Like really cheap.
9-10 years ago
I
was.
paid for mines $260.
Get this, man.
And the house is worth right now $890.
The last house I had over here on the other side, I bought it like almost 25 years ago, somewhere between 20 and 25.
Yeah.
I paid 115 grand for it.
Sold it.
I dumped probably about $100 grand into it, you know, and improvements and stuff like that.
Yeah, of course.
And I still gave that thing away during the divorce about 5 years ago. But and it just to get rid of it, you know, to get everything, everything resolved, you know. But nonetheless, still made good money on it. Could have held on to it for a year. It's just like you're talking about. I think it would have been worth $750, you know.
So I told my wife, I sell there. Remember, I need land because I have my business. That's why I built my own trucks, you know what I mean?
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
No doubt.
Yeah, I'm the owner of Pump It Out.
That's a expensive investment right there, man.
Yeah. I got 3 of those.
Really?
Yeah.
Holy smokes, man.
But that's like I say, I got to my wife, I need some land, you know what I mean?
Yeah, you gotta have somewhere to park your rigs and stuff.
I run them off Loxahatchee now, but I'm gonna rent because I'm gonna leave. This one's gonna stay here. This is the first one I bought. Oh no, this one I'm gonna take it with me, and then the other 2 I'm gonna leave them here.
Yeah.
I got a little spot there, my buddy, and he's gonna rent it out for me. So I remember I covered from Boca all the way to Port St. Lucie.
Is that road the one that's under the interstate there?
No, the one in Okeechobee and Seminole Cowboy.
Oh, okay. I know what you're talking about.
Yeah, right there.
I know what you're talking about. No, there's another road. I got a land contractor. Got place out there. You want me to go wave him in?
He got it. Yeah, so I was like, you know what? I'm done. I'm done with boxing. I love the place, don't get me wrong, you know, but I'm done.
Yeah, the crowds down here.
But man, I got a neighbor that just moved behind me from, I don't know. Listen, I don't care about where you're from. That's not my problem. But don't come and fucking try it, stupid. Fucking, you know, come on, bro. You know what I'm saying? Listen, you want to move from New York or whatever the hell you want to move from, and you want to make it better for everybody. I understand. You know
when I first moved out here, man, I was looking at land out here because I'm from a rural area in Alabama.
I'm from Chicago.
Well, I was looking out here. I used to have clients that look at me. I lived in a garden. They're like, "What are you looking at?" And this is almost 30 years ago. And I'm like, Jupiter Farms. Their eyes get about this big around. Like, you're gonna move there? I'm like, damn straight. But when I moved here, it was maybe 30 or 40% built out. We're up to over 90%. And it's big houses.
I do a lot of work for CSCI, LJ, all the companies we go out here.
Yeah, you need here. If you go out that way, you go up Randolph side, and they're building all these McMansions out there and stuff like that. Oh, have you? Okay, yeah. So you know what I'm talking about.
Flashing yellow lady?
Yeah.
Straight in, get it back. Get in the back of the right. 20,000 square foot and foam. You know the foam boards?
Yeah.
That you pour the concrete in the ground?
Yeah.
Did the whole wall? Yes. That's exactly how we did the whole house.
Wow. You don't have to worry about it during the hurricane, does it?
No. Hey, you migrate that man. Second floor is concrete. Everything's concrete on that one. I've been doing it for 32 years. My first time pouring one of those, I was like,
That's a load of concrete, man.
I didn't make it. It holds up. It holds up real good.
What'd you do? Have to pour the walls, wait a
Everything.
No, I mean.
Yeah. You gotta pour the foundation. All right, let's get it, baby. Pour all the walls. And then you come back and get out of here. We got nothing back here. Probably about a month. Hey, wash out the wells, man. You wash out the hopper? No.
Let's get it.
It looks like it might be.
What? What? Let's get this shit. What's up with homeboy, man?
Stop drinking all the goddamn monsters and Red Bull this morning.
Nah.
Oh, let me touch your hand again, baby.
Just water.
Man, I'm so glad to see you, bro.
Hey, you know, I don't even drink that shit anymore.
That's good.
I swear to God.
Hey, I
My
know.
heart started hurting.
Listen, bro.
I can look at you and tell you off all the shit.
And and I don't hit the paint no more, bitch. Oh, nothing.
You look clear in no bitch, man. You look good.
I'm just fucking
You just coated.
running around, bro. Yeah.
You coated. You always been hyped like
Yeah.
that. Natural
Exactly.
hype.
Some people like, oh man, you bugged out. I'm like, bitch, I ain't on nothing.
Oh shit, no.
I'm like, I'm always just.
Your face don't clear it up. Your eyes, everything.
Remember, I used to be like this.
Yeah.
Oh, fucking. Fuck, freaked out.
Yeah. Cody got that.
That shit over with now.
That's good, bro. That's good, man. God damn, man. That's good, bro.
Got to, dude.
Tell you what God can do.
I was on that shit too much.
Yeah.
Like, y'all skeeted up every day.
Look at you now, fresh.
Boy, I got tape in my pocket. I was gonna put tape instead of nails.
That makes it so bad. You was on that shit. You still was handling your thing.
I was.
Still was handling your thing. Down here, Jeremy. Yeah.
Let me get a bead. Let me get a bead.
I'm gonna let it get mad.
Give me a fucking bead, bitch. This shit sure is eating up a lot of concrete. But we got it going on. We're almost poured out. Whew. Hey, we looking good? We'll find out. I think. hustle. Nice, bro. Take good pictures, yeah. Thank you. Nothing's edged, but it's super wet. Don't make a big groove in it. That's what I'm trying to fix right now. Steven! Steven! Hey Travis, can you edge this again real quick? Alright, it's time to take the motherfucker out. You don't know why I call her the motherfucker?
Don't take it nowhere yet. Don't take it nowhere yet.
Because she fucks your mother.
Don't take it nowhere yet.
Why?
Tip it up.
Why?
Because I want to look at these blades.
Yeah, we're gonna put it on the ground, do it. I don't wanna do it.
Tip it up right there.
No, no, I'll show you. 1, 2, 3. Now, watch out. Clean. A little rusty.
I'm gonna try them out.
Yeah, but they're all gonna have a little something in it.
But that looks fine. Put it down, put it down.
Give me a... Here, I need a... Go bring the hose over here. We don't need that hose right now. Actually, I'm gonna just fucking put it on the slab. It'll fucking, I'll try the color out.
I want to get some of this off.
Yeah, get all of it out,
It's
yeah.
starting to dry. Well, I'm gonna use these to pick berries too. Don't worry about it too much. I'm gonna take them off if you want. I just want to get some of the thick stuff.
Nah, this is good enough. Alright everybody, we are traveling through beautiful Jupiter, Florida. On the way back to the job, I just picked the guys up some lunch. Got a bunch of subs for them. We should be ready to start machining. At least get the machine on the slab and start finishing this bad boy. So, let's see what happens. Almost there. Oh yeah, it's going good. Oh yeah, it's going real nice. I got this area broomed out. Got my nice distinguished line, slab. Slick broom. We're still slicking this out. This is gonna be a couple hours, we'll be done. But making progress. I'm gonna set the camera up right here. And we're gonna time lapse the whole thing. Finished process, baby, here we go. Bye.